Welcome friends to another session of the Silk Route to Excel at Work. The past few sessions we have been learning about the various functions in Excel and a few tips and tricks to get the best out of Excel. Thanks for being with me. Please inform your colleagues, friends to subscribe so that they, you, me can all excel at work. We have been looking at the various shortcuts to speed up our work and work more efficiently in Excel. We will now continue on to the shortcut series. In this session, we'll have a look at the formatting numbers shortcuts. Format anything, well, almost anything. Control 1. Applying general format is Control Shift tilde. So I'll just go through the I have taken a number 123.45 and we have the various formatting options with shortcuts. These are only formatting options which have got shortcuts. There are other formatting options which do not have shortcuts but can be accessed from the control format numbers. That is, like I said earlier, format anything, well, almost anything is control 1. Here, so here goes general, number, currency, accounting, all these formatting options. So general format is 123.45, control shift tilde. So if you control shift tilde, doesn't make a difference because right now it's in the general format. Same 123.45 in the currency format. Of course, it's dollar key, control shift dollar. So I apply, I'll do one thing, I'll put the number here 123.45 and then I'll just copy this number here and this, because this is not having enough of space, so it becomes a shorter version. So here the currency format, control shift dollar key, this is what it occurs like. The control shift tilde takes it back to general format, control shift dollar makes it into currency format. This currency is defined by the options, the settings that you've done in your particular version of Windows that you're using. So in case in US it becomes dollar symbol, in case in UK it becomes a pound, in India it becomes a rupee symbol. Next is the percentage format, control shift obviously percentage. So 123.45, 12 control shift percentage key gives me 12345%. If I want to make it in a decimal format, let us say 123.45, 123%, increase decimal places, I increase it by 2 places becomes 123.45, 3 places become 4.0. This is how you change the percentage option. Next, the scientific format is where you get the number to its power. So the same number 123.45, enter in scientific format, uses the caret, control shift caret, that is something about 6. Caret is also called circumflex in a few synonym. Basically we use the word caret. So if it is a larger number, so 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 to 1.23 to the power e05. Then for date, again you use 123.45. You want to use the date option, is applying date format as control shift and hash key, control shift hash. Then make it a bit larger so we can see date. Yeah, it is 2nd May 00. 00 is 1900. If you want to use a contemporary number, 456 makes it 2238. This is 22,000. It's out of future. So let us use some other mid number. Yeah, this is 94. 6 is 94. The options to use Control Shift hash key to get to the change the number to a date format. In terms of time format, again use 123.45 and make it Control Shift at the rate ampersand symbol. Control Shift ampersand makes it 1048. The time is 1048. The date is still 1900. You can see it here. Fine. And next is the number format again. Control Shift exclamation mark. Control Shift exclamation mark makes it the general format of 123.45. Is a larger number. You will know what exactly it means. Use a comma symbol. General number symbol is a comma symbol. Again, the number of commas is the Indian system of having to the left of decimal 3 place and then again every 2 decimals. If you are using US based, it will be in all steps of 3, groupings of 3. If you want to use more formats like 123.45 is a default number which I've been using for the examples. Control 1, you got options for fractions in which it can go up to 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digits as halves, quarters, eighths, sixteenths, tens, hundreds, etc. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 0.45 is termed as 0.49. If you want to go with 2 digits, this will be 9 by 20. 0.45 is 9 by 20. Again, if you want to go up to 3 digits, it's again 9 by 20. But if number is a bit like this, then 57 125, 123, 57 125. As halves, of course, halves, what happens is that 123 is rounded off to nearest half, nearest quarter. 1 by 2 is 2 by 4 is the nearest half. As eighths, as sixteenths, so you got various options here. As again tens, it will be rounded off to nearest 5 by 10. It is 0.45 rounded off to 0.5. As hundreds, again this will be changing to 46 by 100, 0.456 rounded off to 0.46. These options for text, and you got text and then special. In customs, you have various options. For example, if I decided to have in groups of 2 but not a comma with a space, this is the format for that. It's like this because there's no decimal here. I did not decimal here. I put a decimal here again. Let us say to 2 places. Looks like if I increase the number here, let us say increase it by 4, 5, 6 again. So this would look 1 space 2, 3 space 463.46. This looks very good on your computer. This I use a lot in my formatting options. Well, we come to the end of formatting numbers. And next we have looked at the formatting shortcuts 2. We'll take up in the next video. Thanks for watching.
With this, we come to end of this session of Excel at Work. Hope you have learned something new or refreshed what you already know. Please share this with your friends, family and colleagues to help them, you and me to excel at work. Thanks for watching.